Let's see how long fish lasts today. I got my fish eye. Let's see if we can get the video today with this phone. I deleted everything off of it, so should have memory. I don't know. Anyways, happy Friday. Shout out to AK Hvac again. Man, really appreciate that video, dude. That was kind of heart touching, man. That was pretty fucking dope. The love on here is badass. So thank you very much. NorCal Dave, as always. What's up, brother? Happy Friday, man. Hope you're doing good. Another good channel. Go check out the Gray Furnace Man. Super knowledgeable guy. So it's another shout out. You know what I mean. Anyways, let's get over here, and we got no cooling. Maybe we can get a leak search and repair today. That's what I'm hoping for. I love leak search and repairs. Kind of one of my favorite repairs to do. So nice day out, a little windy, nice clouds. So we'll see what we can get into, guys. Happy Friday. Got to get it turned on by the thermostat. Everything looks good electrically. It's all tight. No superheat. 33. Let me get my other hose hooked up. Alright, that's definitely overcharged or a restriction. It's either got a restriction or it's overcharged. It's one or the other. No superheat, so we're flooding back the compressor. Let's see what our amps are. Love this UEI. Let's see what we got. Let me remove some charge. See where we're at. Alright, I took 1.5 pounds out of it. Looking better. It's only 67.5. 77, 87, 97, so like 100 degrees on your condensing would be good. So you want to see like right here, about 100. So we're getting there. We're looking a lot better than we were. Jesus Christ. We're still got to take a little bit more out. Maybe another 1/4 pound or so, but overcharged. And plugged up filter, so multiple offender. Got that DL429, you know, NorCal Dave special. Look at that, she's running a lot better. Alright. Pluggered, buggered. I'll have to go get a filter. Cool. Take a filter for this one. It's running a lot better. It's a little high, but nothing is perfect. That's what you guys will learn. Nothing is fucking perfect. So, I'm happy with that. They're happy. I got lowered that 2.5 amps. So that's good. On to this one. I got one more to do right here. Get screws. Hold on, I gotta hold this up. Hold on. Okay, here's what you do. Take your drill. Like that. You can do it all with one hand. Take it. Little trick. Gotta love that. Alright. Couple more panels. Good to go. So we get those thrown on there and on to the next one. What this one has in store. If you guys ever see these, how these come off like this, these little gaskets and the caps, just make sure you put it back in the right way. Tap it in. Alright, that's what seals the actual refrigerant. It's not the cap. So this one, see, it stayed in there. So I'll just put some brass caps on here. I'll make it easy. You can see this one probably just shut off. It's still a little saturated. I'm sure the filter's fucked up on this one too. I gotta get filters. I gotta go grab a couple. You guys already know the filter game. So just gonna go get this one kicked on, get our readings, and see where we're at. 96 static. Kicked on. Sound that healthy. I think max amps is 16.1. It's only 68 degrees outside. Bet that filter's plugged up. Alright. Let me sit here, watch it. I'm going to get the coils cleaned out too because I got a hose. So, that'll be good. Alright, let me let this one run for a minute. Be back with you. Ventilation sucked up right here. So, there's nothing you can do with that one. And the filter, it's not too bad on this one. The other one was like a fucking carpet. So, let me get this put back on and we'll fire it back up and see where we're at. On this one, all I did was take the filter out. Looks like it might be a teeny bit overcharged. Just maybe a smidge, but it's actually running really good, so it's not bad. But that should be a teeny bit lower. That should be a little bit higher. And my head should be a little lower. But I got to clean the coil too and get a new filter. So let me go get that done. See what our amps are. See, we're still running at almost max amps. That's what I don't like. So let me get that coil cleaned up. Make sure you blow it out. Like AK HVAC 7, about to go screw some elephants. You know what I mean? We ain't playing. We ain't playing out here. This is how we getting juicy. Oh, I love nitrogen. Good shit. Alright. Now let me get a hose and wash it out. And then let me go get some filter. I got it all rinsed out, so let me give it 10 minutes and we'll check back in. AK, I got you, bro. Look at that. I got the old school The old school brush beard, you know what I mean? Trying to stay like you, bro. You know what I mean? I keep it right here. I thought about you the other day, so I was like, fuck, bro, I might as well get my brush game on my beard. How about that? Obviously, the compressor's not doing too good. You can hear it. And we're sitting at 19 and 13 subcool, 52 T1, almost 100 T2, 34 degree evaporator, 109 degree condensing. So it's running pretty good. Nice and clean. I just gotta go get some filters. I know I keep saying that, so I'm just gonna write this one up that the compressor is getting a little weak. So I did meg it out. I didn't do it on camera. I megged it out and it came up caution. So anyways, we were almost right on the money with that 75 dry bulb. Had about a 62.5 wet bulb. 75 over 215. Guarantee outdoor coil 75, 68. Yeah, so yeah, we should have been like 70 over 205, somewhere around there. So we're pretty close. It's good. All right, so that was cool. That was like a classic example. Look at that. It stays right there. Hiya, hiya. Oh, damn. Look at that juice. Look at that juice. Oh, you can't even, I'm rock solid. Like, you guys don't understand. Like, I'm literally a fucking solid piece. Like, I don't feel that shit. I don't. And on top of that, I have my girl punch me in the stomach all the time. So it usually helps. Out of nowhere, she'll just come and just hit me in the stomach. I'm like, fucking really? You serious, bro? She's like, well, you can take it. I'm like, just because I'm juicy at 137. 137? Who has been getting too juicy lately? This guy. Anyways, I changed those air filters. They're both running okay. The one I did write the compressor up, just because it's at 15. It's not even fucking hot out. I mean, it's 72 out. So obviously when we reach the 100, that thing's gonna get a little too hard. A little too hard, a little too hot, work a little too hard, get a little too hot, work a little hard, get a little too hot. Oh, damn, I'm fucking hot today, boy. Hot, boy. Yeah, I drink soda. I don't give a fuck. I'm juicy. I'll do whatever the fuck I want. How about that? Catch me outside. Oh, I love vanilla Coke. So they told me that was my last couple calls. That works for me. I'm not going to complain. So, everyone have a wonderful weekend. Time to go hit the gym and get the juicy little pumps on. The juices. Anyways, AK Hvac, go check them out. NorCal Dev. Shout you guys out all the time. Have a wonderful fucking weekend, guys, and we'll see you here next weekend. We'll see what we can get into. Next week. And I have about 5 days left, and then we'll start getting with some juicy videos with work. You feel me? Talk to you guys later. Peace. Like, subscribe. Tell your grandma about me, bruh. Go ahead and tell her, bruh. Hey, so this is pretty cool. This is where I, like my childhood house. This is where I grew up. Fucking dumbass bitch. Sorry, that girl was a fucking idiot. She, like, literally sat at the stop sign for, like, 45 seconds. Anyways, this is Hazel Green in Elsip. This is where I went to fucking up to 5th grade before I moved out to Tinley. Prior to this, I lived in Chicago. But yeah, that's I used to have fucking recess right here, man. That's crazy. Play kickball right here. Used to be a big fucking fence up. Ain't there no more. That's crazy. Damn, that was never there. That used to just be the wall. We used to bounce it off that wall. They added that whole addition on. Wow, that's pretty cool. I like shit like that. And I beat the train. Shit, boy. That's what happens when you know the area. You know what I mean? Normally I'm not in areas that I know. But today, dude, it's gorgeous out. Look at the fucking day. Man, what is 72 out? You know, yeah, boy. Anyways, figured I'd add that in there. Like, subscribe. Go tell your grandma about me, boy. See you later. Peace.